Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick update comparison review between these two accounting software platforms, which is Synder and Wave Accounting. So we're going to dive into it. You have to decide which of these accounting software can be a game changer for you and your business in 2025 and 2026. So let's dive into it. Talking about Synder. Synder is great for e-commerce and online sales who need automation. It syncs sales from Shopify, PayPal, and Stream into accounting platforms like QuickBooks and Xero, saving hours of manual work. However, it can get pricey for small business, and some users report missing features after subscribing. Now, talking about Wave, on the other hand, is a simple and free accounting tools ideal for freelancers and small business. It handles invoicing, expenses, and payment with ease, but it lacks advanced integration, inventory tracking, and strong customer support. So in conclusion, Synder wins for automation-heavy users, while Wave is perfect for beginners who want an easy, no-cost solution. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.